Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is just to give you an update on the Mate 20X that I had a few years ago. It is still one of my best phones slash phablets that I come back to it from time to time, and I'm still using it. Using this stand cover. You can pull the stand out and use it as a, like, for example, if you want to watch some movies or stuff like that. You can, with this 7.1-inch screen, is very useful here. um, I am very liking my Mate 20X so far, and we're still getting updates. Actually, we're still getting nice updates here. As you know, there is three cameras. For those who doesn't know, telephoto lens, wide angle lens, and a main camera 40 megapixels. So the cameras are still good. You're getting a camera from Leica and from Huawei, so you know the quality that you're actually getting. It has like a colored power button here, up and down, and very nice looking design actually. There's a speakers on the top, IR blaster and headphone jack. On the back we have USB Type C and another speaker. But overall, uh, in 2022, Mate 20X is still good enough for you to use. Still powerful. You can play games on it. You can shoot videos and cameras on it. It's really good. Maybe the video camera part is a little bit lacking, but the photos that comes with this phone is really awesome, guys. So yeah, this is for the people who are asking about the Mate 20X. What's going on with it? I'm still having it. I'm not planning to sell it. I'll keep it with me as a gem. I'm not gonna sell it unless something really comes and destroy this phone completely. So far we have the Vivo releasing a Vivo X phone, which is a 7-inch. This is 7.1, but the 7-inch from Vivo is really great. Actually, had an awesome spec with the camera and all that stuff. But I think the Vivo is a little bit curved from the sides, whereas in the Mate 20X is flat. And I always prefer flat screen over the curved screen because of easy to enjoy the content and touch, without worrying about dropping it and breaking it and all that stuff, or the bars on the sides that sometimes cut off your content because of the curvature. But anyways, Mate 1X still rocking it. I'll keep it with me probably one more year and see what's gonna happen with Huawei. Maybe they will revamp the Mate X series, hopefully. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and see you in another video.